Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Coupon Finder. In this video, I'll show you 6 exclusive discount codes that will help you save up to 20% on your next order. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide on how to apply them and get the best deal. First, go to the site by typing Honey Love in the search bar. Click on the official website www.honeylove.com. Honey Love is a premium shapewear brand that provides comfort and support while enhancing your natural shape. The website has a clean and modern design. Includes categories like bodysuits, bras, tops, and shorts. To create an account, just click on the person icon. Enter your email address and click on Continue. You will receive a code via email, which you must enter here. Here, you can navigate through the different categories on the website. For instance, this is the bodysuits category, which has several subcategories. You can also explore the best sellers section to find the best products. We will select the Superpower Short Shapewear. Select the size. And choose the waist size. Then click on the Add to Bag button. The site offers a 20% discount if you buy 2 products. Since we're focusing on promo codes, we'll click No, thanks. Now click on Safe Checkout to proceed to payment. At checkout, there's a promo code section where we will use the following promo codes. The first code appears on the screen and offers a 20% discount. You don't need to purchase 2 products to apply the coupon. As you can see, a 20% discount has been applied to the final value. Now, we will apply another coupon that offers a 20% discount. The discount has been applied correctly. But if the previous coupons don't work for you, I'll show you 2 coupons offering 15% off your purchase. The first code appears on the screen. The second code we will use is the one that appears on the screen. As you can see, this code also offers a 15% discount. Finally, I'll show you the coupons that offer a 10% discount. The first code appears on the screen. The discount has been applied correctly. And the last coupon we'll use is the one that appears on the screen and also offers a 10% discount. Use these coupons if the previous ones stop working. Once you've applied the best discount code, fill in your shipping and payment details. Honey Love accepts credit cards and PayPal, so you can choose your preferred method. Click Pay Now and enjoy your Honey Love shapewear at a discounted price. And that's it. This is the right way to save with Honey Love. Make sure to check the description for updated discounts. For more exclusive promo codes, visit smartcouponfinder.club. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.